Tonight, this side. No, he's not. Go, next. Thank you. Hi, sweetheart. Have a good weekend. Yay! No, your hands behind your back. Someone hold. Whoa, that was fast.
That was hard.
They got it. Okay, go.
Myself for this apple.
Go.
Come on, Kalani!
Robert.
Kalani! Her hair! Yeah! She did the same for me! I'm after Christopher. It's not Emma.
Oh, you guys going for the stem, huh?
Keep going! Come on, go!
There you go! Yay! All right. Support each other. Cheer for her. Let's go, Nevaeh. Let's go. Let's go, Nevaeh. Let's go. You finally got it. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. There you go. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Get the stem. Get the stem. Easier. Get the stem. The big old.
Come on, support her. Support her. Cheer for her.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Leah. Let's go. You're not girl. Let's go.
Working at it. Go help her. Cheer on.
Just bite the stem like this. Get this one.
Did you get it, Alejandra? Oh, it fell? Okay, and when she's done, then you can wash it. Come on, you can do it, Deja. Nice. Support her. Go cheer for her. Let's go, Deja. Let's go. Let's go, Deja. Let's go. Let's go, Deja. Let's go. Come on. Get your face wet. Dunk your head in there. You can do it. Use your nose to move it around. Go. You can do it.
I just got it from
Don't give up.
Just do it, Deja.
Oh, you did it, Neville? Nice.
She used her hand kind of.
Ah. No, hands behind your back. There you go. Oh, look at her. Oh, you almost got it. Stick with that. Don't give up. Stick with it. Whoa, oh, almost. Don't give up. Yo, she did. Oh, no, sorry. You have to do it again. Don't give up. Slowly, nice and slow. Nice and slow. There you go. You can do it.
You recording me?
Yes, ma'am. No, leave it. It's not gonna make a difference. She has to move herself around.
Can we have these?
Oh, close. Got bite tight. Almost.
I'm soaked.
Yes, you are.
My mom would say, it looks like you. Let's go, Ollie. Let's go. Let's go, Ollie. Let's go. Let's go. We can play whatever game we want, right?
Yeah.
We can play whatever game we want.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good job.
Let's go, Humana. Let's go. I want to eat this. Let's go, Humana. Let's go. Give it to me. Okay.
If you dunk your whole face in there, you get it.
Ollie rides in the water so she can my
You took a long time, huh? Oh, she got it. All right.
Oh my gosh. You got it. You're strong. Okay, go. Take this out.
Uh-oh.
Yourself. Don't wait. Come on. Get that thing in the hair. Get her hair. You got. Keep getting. You got. Get that small one. Get that small one. You can get it. Get the corner. I would like to get a trap in the corner.
Look what I did for this apple.
Who was the last one? Allie got it?
I am the last one.
Okay.
Allie didn't want it, so she gave it to me. Is that
Okay. That's fine. Come on, you can do it. Dunk your whole face in there.
Yeah, get wet, bro. Get my hair.
You can go play if you like.
My
You
head,
cannot go again, Robert.
my head kind of touched the bottom of my hole. I'm on.
Oh, you got it, Christian. Good job.
You
Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's doing it
I
now.
can't see it.
You can't see. Deja, did she get it? She gave up? Okay. She got it? Oh, I missed.
I'm gonna get the small one.
No.
Why?
I got it. Caesar, you know my head kind of touched the bottom.
Come on, Mike, you can do it.
Go, Michael. Go, Michael. It floats around. I'm ready.
Do you want to try another tub?
I don't want to do this one. Okay.
You want to try another
I'll
tub?
try that one. That
No?
one's better.
Okay, you don't have to. You don't want to.
It gets my shit all wet.
I know. That was the whole fun of it.
Ew.
All right, let's go, Paris.
Look, Paris, you got this.
Oh, Al.
This is one dunking
You
my
got
head.
it?
Yeah. Oh.
She's gonna fall in. Hold her hair. Hold her hair back.
Let's go, Paris.
Let's go. I'm still gonna do it, but I don't get the Can we put somebody in one time?
No.
Oh.
Oh.
I almost got it!
She almost got it.
Grab that one, grab that one.
Feel it and then push it to the side.
Ram it into the side. Or
There you go. Almost.
if you can fit the smallest one in your mouth, try that.
Almost got it. Yay. You have to finish your apple and then you can go again. But I don't want it trash, otherwise you won't be able to. All right, Mike's going to try the potato sack. Who's going to race with Mike? Go. Okay.
These are good.
That's a good way to dry off, Mike.
These are like really red and they're good.
It's good, huh?
The green ones are kind of
Almost. Don't give up.
Yay!
Let's go.
This leg gonna get the water.
Yes.
Is it a break?
Go, go, get it.
She said it's gonna break.
It's not easy, huh?
She said it's gonna break.
Oh, she says go.
Because it does kind of feel like.
Feels like it. Come on, you can do it. Don't drown. Take a breath.
Don't drink the water.
I
Don't
go
drink the
again.
water.
You didn't even get wet that much.
Oh man, she's still down. Okay. She's gonna get it. She's gonna get it.
She get it or not?
Give her 10 seconds, guys. Count down. Go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! No, keep going. Keep going.
One of those. Oh, look at that airplane. I got an apple. I see an airplane.
Come on.
Can I go again?
Yes. Oh, she got it! Yay!
You can get him a slide! Go, Miss Slide! Go, Miss Slide! You can do it! You can do it!
Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go, Miss Slade! Let's go! Let's go, Miss Slade! Let's go!
Oh my gosh.
Let's go, Miss Slade! Let's go!
All right.
Let's go, Miss Slade! Let's go!
Ah.
Let's go, Miss Slade! Let's go! Let's go, Miss Slade! Let's go! Corn dog, Miss Slade!
All right.
Corn dog.
That is scary, actually.
Get the small one, see, just spit in your mouth. Let's go, Miss Slade! Let's go! You got it? Oh.
Yes, yes. I ate it.
No. She did. Let's go, Miss Slade! Let's go, Miss Slade! Let's go! It's annoying, isn't it?
I think I'll be the first teacher that drowns.
He's not for swimming.
It's not for swimming, I know.
It's for dipping your hand in it.
All right.
Get that one, it's the easiest.
Okay. Who's talking?
Me.
Okay.
This one. That one's the easiest. The smallest one you can ever see.